welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a split page effect in Canva. So let's begin. Okay, so first I'll take this size right here and this height and create new design. I'm gonna quickly name it Canva 42. Alright, like that I'm gonna go in my uploads. I'm gonna click on this image right here and I'm gonna fill it to the full size. Adjust it like this. I'm gonna go in my elements and I'm gonna type in here torn paper. I'm gonna take this image right here and I'm gonna increase its size and duplicate it, flip it horizontally and vertically. And like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the image in which I am in. I'm gonna Control D and make a duplicate and remove its background. And like this, we have a perfectly made torn effect in Canva. So I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And now share to your friends. Bye bye.